Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ with a Z07 package. Loaded up with everything. It is just an amazing machine. There it is from the back. You can see the NPP Performance exhaust, which has the dampers in it that open. The unique tail lights for a Z06. It's got the big spoiler on it, wicker ball spoiler on it from the Z06, Z07 package. In the trunk here, you've got the the cargo area cover. So that's the net up there and the net down here. In here, you've got storage compartment, and in there is the original Corvette charger in the box. And you can see the seats there. I don't know if you can see that, but those are carbon fiber back seats. Those are the Sport GT seats. So those are pretty cool. Competition seats. Pretty awesome. It's got carbon flash black paint there, so you can see that that's not actually black, it's carbon flash. You've got carbon flash paint up here on the vents. You've got carbon flash mirrors up here also. Awesome. Here's your back wheel, no curb rash, no issues, Michelin tires. Those are the performance tires, so don't expect there to be a lot of tread on them. That's the way they come from the factory, and it goes like mad. Look at the size of the rotor on that and the calipers that are there for stopping. Amazing machine. So there's your brake air inlets there. It's got exposed carbon fiber on the ground effects kit. And again, here's the carbon fiber on your competition GT seats. Pretty awesome. And so those are higher bolsters intended to keep you in the seat because you're going to go pretty fast. This one's got the passenger seat, has the multi-function adjustments for the seat, including lumbar and side bolster adjustment, so that you can make it wider or narrower as needed to fit. In here are the books and the wheel lock in the trunk. So that's pretty cool. Have a look in the door frames. Nice, clean, super clean car. Bose sound system. Red stitching was an option on this car. It's got the removable roof, and on the roof, of course, you'll see the over-the-top stripes all the way along. That's pretty cool. The blackout Z06 gills here, which you see are also carbon fiber. They're not really black, they're metallic black. Here's your other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. It's got the carbon fiber center inserts in the wheels, and the Brembo brakes on the calipers and rotors are cross-drilled and ginormous. Under the hood is the 650 horsepower LT4, producing 650 foot-pounds of torque. It's got the Z06 head roof liner in it, which is emblemed, of course. Awesome. And look at how clean and tidy that car is, just like brand new. It only has 9,000 kilometers on it, so it should look nice, but that's what we're looking for here at Monroe Motors, is really awesome cars. So it's got the carbon flash hood insert there, and then the stripes in the black all the way up and across. And then here is your front spoiler with the carbon fiber, exposed carbon fiber look on it. There's no damage here, no issues. Let me just touch this and see if that's a mark. Nope, that's just a bit of wax on it. That'll come off. Okay, so that's cool. It's got front cameras, rear cameras, PDR, all the options. Have a look at this front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, just awesome. And the same along here. So check out those side ground effects. They are awesome, in great shape, no damage. Here's your back wheel, no damage there, just looking super. Again, on the driver's door, you've got the red baseball stitching, you've got power windows, power locks, driver memory, and your Bose sound system. On the driver's seat, you've got multifunction adjustment, including side bolster and lumbar, so that it'll fit you. You've got the Alcantara driver's steering wheel with the flat bottom on it and the carbon fiber in it. You've also got the carbon fiber dash. I mean, the options just go on and on. Forgive me for going on and on, but it does. And what a rocket, eh? Listen to that. So just 9,008 kilometers on it, very low in the kilometers. You can see it's got Apple CarPlay, PDR, navigation. Down here we've got dual zone air conditioning. It's got the 650 plaque. You've got the Alcantara on the shifter. Then you've got your cup holders, your mode select. Up here then, of course, is the carbon fiber in the steering wheel that I talked about earlier. your volume controls, your steering wheel controls for the radio, steering wheel controls for the cruise control, heads-up display in color there. Wow, loaded up car. This opens up so you can put your phone in there and plug in the back, plug in a USB and put your phone in there and lock it away so you won't get in any trouble. It's got OnStar, it's got the quilted headliner along with the Alcantara side A pillars. And then in the glove box here, you've got line in and USB and power outlet right there. So all the options, all the features, I can't think of any others that this one doesn't have. It's just a beast. Listen to that car. Wow. Paddle shifters in red to go with the 8-speed automatic. Wow. Have a look in the door frames as I'm getting out. And yes, of course, the roof is removable, does go in the back. So you can have a little target top. There's your LED headlights. That looks stunning, doesn't it? Just an amazing car. No damage, no scratches, no bumps, no bruises. Just an amazing machine. Torch red. Every Corvette should be red. Any other color is a mistake. Make no mistake, this one is red, torch red. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. This is a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Z06, 3LZ, Z07, competition seats, every option. It is an amazing machine. Come on down and have a look for yourself here at MunroMotors.com. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.